Let me paint a picture for you. You've been learning trading for a few months, maybe even a year or more. You've possibly paid for some courses and joined some communities, hopping from one to the next when they don't seem to be profitable for you. Never mind that others are successful, it doesn't suit your style. Whereas that shiny new strategy over there seems to have that extra edge. And look at the results they post on Instagram. This is surely the key to success I've been after. Do you recognize this person at all yet? Or perhaps the communities are all a bit too expensive and you don't want to pay a monthly subscription to something you can get for free through various content leaking sites. Your hard drive is absolutely filled to the brim with gigabytes of different trading courses. You've watched most of the videos and flicked through the PDFs, but it always seems like there's something missing, something you can't quite get right. You're searching and searching for that holy scripture of trading that must exist somewhere, right? Well, here it is. You've found it. Yep, it's in this video right here, and I'm about to reveal it to you. The truth about trading, the secret sauce, the key to unlock endless Lambos, ladies, and luxury is... Well, actually, the truth is there isn't one. Stop looking. I almost guarantee you there is nothing extra you need to know with regard to the technicals of your trading if you already know the basics. I'm not saying stop learning. We are always learning every day in trading, but get the goddamn basics down first. Think of it like a burger. You got the bun and you got the beef. Great, that's a meal. It will fill you up and keep you energized enough to survive. After time, you can add some extras to the burger. You might try it with cheese for a while. If it tastes good with cheese and you're enjoying it, keep the cheese. You might look to add some onions or lettuce for a while. Test it out. Maybe you'll keep the lettuce, but chuck the onions. They didn't work for you. But what remains solid is the foundation of that burger. Smell it, taste it, consume it, and shit it out over and over again before you try anything else. Dial in your foundations. Now, the number one key to consistency in trading is, guess what? To be a consistent person. I believe success in trading is a holistic process. You will be hard pushed to find a successful trader who does not have success in other areas of their life. Think about it. Have you ever been consistent with anything in your life? Eating junk food, smoking weed, watching TV, and gaming does not count. Well, it does, but negative consistent patterns will mess you up just as much as positive ones will propel you to success. So try it. Start doing something consistently. It might be something you can do daily, it might be something you can do weekly. One I've added to my list recently is making YouTube videos. I plan to do at least one a week for the next year. I don't know where this will take me, but I can guarantee you it will change my life in some way. If you want to learn an instrument, imagine where you would be a year from now if you consistently practiced for 1 hour every day. What about exercise? Even if you just did 30 push-ups every day, I guarantee you'd look like a different person next year. So how does this relate to trading? Becoming consistent in one area of your life will bleed into other areas. It just happens. The mind is like that. It will also teach your brain that consistently doing small things every day adds up to something huge. So I know what you're saying to yourself. I want to be consistent with trading. I'm ready to take the steps, but I don't know where to direct that energy. Well, don't worry, because here is where my guidance starts. The first thing I want you to do is find one course and stick with it. Sorry, I'm still working on mine, so I probably shouldn't put you off shiny object syndrome just yet. Ideally, you want a course with a community, or at least a mentor you can have contact with. This is so important, because while watching content and videos is great, what most people absolutely miss, and is by far the number one gosh darn factor in becoming successful in trading, is discussion with other traders. Having your peers as well as coaches and mentors that you can ask questions and send your charts to will help you to grow more than sitting there and watching the same old content over and over, like a video showing you bar by bar how you can achieve a zillion R with some crazy entry. And yes, I've made these myself. That's to get you interested, to show you what's possible, to create the shiny object for you to lust after. It's marketing, and I'm not saying it's not real, or it's lies, or it's fake content. I'm just saying that watching that shit over and over is not learning or achieving anything other than a dopamine hit. And once you're in the community, don't be a wallflower, sitting on the sidelines looking pretty. Get involved, talk to people. Everyone just wants to help, I guarantee it. From there, you can start with the consistency. So you've joined a community, you've introduced yourself, you've asked questions, and gained a further understanding of the content. What next? Okay, now I'm going to give you an actual practical step that you can do every day that I promise will skyrocket your understanding of price and how much opportunity there is for you in the market. Daily markups. This is key. Do not underestimate the power of markups. Once you have a solid understanding of price and a nice plain burger of a trading plan, mark up every opportunity that fits that plan during your trading session or sessions for that day. Literally just go on there and examine everything like a detective. Figure out what happened and why. Make notes and mark on the trades, including losses. Leave your ego at the door and just do it. Then what? Make it public. Post it either in your community Discord or forum if there is one, or take screenshots and post them on Instagram. Send them to your nan if you like, but state your intention to do it every day so that others will expect it and hold you accountable. This is how I learned, this is how I got consistent, and this is how I found confidence in my plan and am able to say I am a consistent, profitable trader. And guess what? I still do it to this day. It never ends. It is your job to do this. You don't just get in shape and then stop going to the gym. Consistency is a muscle that you work. It gets bigger and harder and can lift more weights over time. So that's it for episode 1 of my mindset series. A bit of a different video this week, so I hope you enjoy this content as much as the technical stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.